How to redeem gift card on Amazon. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can redeem gift card on Amazon. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to amazon.com. Once you're on this website, you will have to sign into your account. So go ahead and click on the sign in option. Then here you will have to enter your email address or mobile phone number. Now click on the continue option. Here, enter your password. Once you have entered your password, click on the Sign In option. If all your details are correct, you will be signed into your account. Now, on this website, you want to click on the Accounts and List option. Then, from there, select the option of Account. Now, from here, you want to click on the Gift Cards option. Here, you can find your gift card balance. You can reload your balance from here. If you have a gift card, click on the option of Redeem a Gift Card. Now, over here, you will have to enter your claim code. The dashes are not required. An Amazon gift card claim code is 14 or 15 characters long and will usually contain both letters and numbers. If you have a physical card, the claim code can be found under a peel-off or scratch-off label on the back of the card. Go ahead and enter that and click on the Apply to Balance option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.